Question number 27. Okay, x in parenthesis kx minus 56 parenthesis closed is equal to negative 16. In the given equation, k is an integer constant. Okay, first key point, k is an integer. If the equation has no real solution. Now, if I just want to know the rule, if the equation has no real solution in case of a quadratic equation, then discriminant is less than 0. Discriminant is actually value b square minus 4ac, which is less than 0 in this case, right? So if I solve this equation, that is x kx minus 56 is equal to negative 16. So this is kx squared minus 56x is equal to negative 16 kx squared, okay, adding 16 on both sides, plus 16 is equal to 0. So here a is k, b is negative 56 and c is plus 16. Let's put the values over here. So negative 56 whole squared minus 4 times a, which is k, times 16 is less than 0. Okay, now 56 squared, that means this negative sign will become positive due to this square. So 56 times 56. Now I'm doing it, skipping a little bit of steps, just to give you a glimpse what is expected. So now I am adding 4 times k times 16 on both sides. So 2 or 3 steps done together, this negative sign is removed due to square. 56 square is written as 56 times 56 and 4k times 16 is added to both sides. Okay, now if you solve this k will be, just use the calculator. So k is greater than 49. Now in our options, k is an integer which is greater than 49. So what is the possible value of k? Least possible, 50. So for this value of k, this equation has no real solution. That is the question. Question is solved. Let's say why this is the case. So if you remember the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of d by 2a. That is the formula. Now just imagine if this d is less than 0, right? That means if it is a negative value, so it's going to be an imaginary number. That is the reason that if d is smaller than 0, then this quadratic equation has no real solution. You will always see the word over here, real solution, because solution will be there and that will be an imaginary number, right? So it has no real solution. That is why d is less than 0.